Hey guys, I just wanted to come on and tell you a little bit about what we're going to be working on during some of our reading time. Before we left school, I had introduced you all to something that looked like this. So I'm going to show it to you. Thumbs up if you remember this right here. Good job, guys. That's our sneaky, silent E chart that we made together. So we made our sneaky, quiet, super silent ninja E all together. So I want to talk a little bit about that and remind you guys what that is for and what kind of words those are. So we're going to be talking about long vowels. What is a vowel? Who remembers what a vowel is? Oh yeah, vowels are those special letters that we have in our alphabet. We had gotten really good at vowels because we had vowel power. We had activated that and we had grown our vowel power and it was very strong. Let's think for a second. How many vowels are there? 2? No. 4? No. 5. There were 5 vowels. So let's talk about our vowels and let's say the sound that we knew they made. That would be the short vowel sound. Then we're going to talk a little bit about the long vowel sound. So let's click to see our vowels. Our first vowel was A. What did A say? A says ah. A for apple. Ah, ah, ah. All right, let's think of another one. E. Remember E? What did E say? Eh. E for elephant. Eh, eh, eh. All right, let's think of another one. I. What did I say? Eh, eh, eh. I for igloo. Eh, eh, eh. How about O? What did O say? Ah, ah, ah. O for octopus. Ah, ah, ah. And U. What did U say? U for umbrella. Good. So those were our vowel sound. But in the long vowel, that's when the vowel's going to say its name. So it's super simple. A's going to say A. E's going to say E. I's going to say I. O's going to say O. And U is going to say U. They're not going to say A. They're not going to say ah, I, ah, any of those. They're going to say A, E, I, O, U. So sometimes we do have a Y. I know some of you are thinking that Y can be a vowel, and it can. But right now we're just going to talk about these 5 when it comes to long vowels. So let's see. When we see this in a word, we're going to have to see a sneaky, silent ninja E at the end. So let's take a look. So here are some vowels. Vowels are special because they make 2 sounds. So our short vowels was apple, elephant, igloo, octopus, and umbrella. And in the short vowels, we heard the vowel sounds we've learned. Let's look at this. Tell me what sound you hear in a grape. Oh, I heard A. How about feet? Feet. I heard E. What do you hear in kite? How about boat? How about glue? You hear the vowel say its name because look at the end of grape. There's a sneaky silent E. How about the end of kite? There's a sneaky silent E in that one. So when does the vowel say the long sound? It says the long sound when it has our sneaky silent ninja E. Let's look at the CVC word. We remember that CVC words are consonant, vowel, consonant. So we got really good at figuring those out. So we could say this down and we would say b, I, t, bit. right? We would know that that word is bit. But let's see what happens when we add a silent E to the end of it. Now we're going to call this word a CVC E word, consonant, vowel, consonant, E. So instead of it saying B, it, E, that's not it. It turns into the word bite because our I is going to say its name. So we have B, I, T, bite. Let's try another one. All right, I bet a lot of you already know this CVC word. If you know the CVC word, give me a thumbs up and say the CVC word. All right, if you don't know the CVC word, let's try it together. Hop. Good. So this word is hop. Let's take a think for a second. We're going to add a sneaky silent E to the end. What is it going to change this word to? Hope. It's going to change the word to hope because now we're just going to say the name of this letter. So, O. Do you think we should add the E sound at the end of it? And make it say O, E, Hopi? No, we're not going to add the E because the E is a sneaky, silent, super quiet letter at the end that we don't need to say. How about this one? Pet. What's that word? Good. The word is pet. So let's see what happens when we add a sneaky E. Now we're going to say P-E-T. Pete. Like Pete the cat. Awesome. See how we went from pet to Pete when the vowel said its name? What's the CVC word? K-A-P. Cap. Let's add a sneaky silent E. Now I'm going to read the word. I see that sneaky E at the end, so I know it's going to make this letter say its name. This word is K-A-P. Cape. Oh, what's this one? This word is cub. Cub. K-A-B. Cub. Let's see what happens when we add a silent E. We know that E is going to make this, instead of say the sound, it's going to say its name, which is the letter U. So it's going to be cube. Cube. Let's listen to a song. Of course, there's an ad. Great work, guys. I hope that video and this lesson helps you read your CVCE words. I'm really excited to see the work you do with them all. And remember, there are sneaky, silent, ninja E. I can't wait to hear about it and see all your work this week. I miss you and I love you. Bye.